How to set live wallpaper on iPhone iOS 18. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Wallpaper option and tap on it. This section lets you change the background images for your lock and home screens. On the Wallpaper page, tap on Add New Wallpaper as shown. From the options at the top, tap on Live Photo to choose an animated image from your gallery. Now, select the live photo you wish to use from your library. After making your selection, tap on Add in the top right corner. As you can see, a pop-up will appear. Tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair to apply it to both screens. Finally, tap on Set as Current to activate it. Following these steps, you can easily set live wallpaper on iPhone iOS 18. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.